How to uninstall apps on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll provide a detailed instructions on how to delete and remove programs and apps from Windows 11. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you will need to open your settings. Go to the bottom, click on the Windows icon, right-click on the Windows icon, and then tap on Settings. If you do not see the Settings app in the section, simply click on the search and type Settings. Once the Settings is open, go to the left and click on Apps. In the Apps section, click on Install Apps or just simply look for the apps in your device. It may take a moment to load all of your apps on your computer. Then you can find the app you want to uninstall. You can scroll through, search, or use different filters and categories. For example, I want to uninstall the Netflix app. Then once you find the app, click on it and then click on Uninstall. Go to the right and tap on Uninstall. You will need to confirm the installation process. The process of uninstalling apps may vary. The other app may include the uninstall wizard as well. So this is how you can uninstall apps on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.